Do you ever find yourself wondering how you can achieve healthier, glowing skin? Have you tried countless products and routines without seeing the results you hoped for? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some amazing tips and tricks that can transform your skincare routine and give you that radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. But before we jump in, let me ask, are you curious about how your diet impacts your skin? Or maybe you're wondering why sleep and stress management are crucial for maintaining that youthful glow. We'll be covering all of this and more, so make sure you stick around. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our skincare tips, beauty hacks, and wellness advice. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's get started on this journey to healthier skin. Trust us, you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Ready? Let's dive in. First and foremost, cleansing is fundamental to maintaining healthy skin. It removes dirt, oil, pollutants, and makeup, which can clog pores, cause breakouts, and dull the complexion. Proper cleansing helps maintain the skin's natural barrier and prepares it to absorb other skincare products effectively. Choose a cleanser that matches your skin type. For oily skin, gel-based or foaming cleansers can help control excess oil without stripping the skin. For dry or sensitive skin, creamy or hydrating cleansers are more suitable as they clean without overdrying. Cleanse your face twice daily. Once in the morning to remove overnight oil and sweat, and once at night to clear away the day's buildup. Use lukewarm water to prevent irritation and gently massage the cleanser in circular motions to promote circulation. Rinse thoroughly and pat your face dry with a clean towel to avoid introducing new bacteria. Did you know moisturizing is essential to keep the skin hydrated, maintain its elasticity, and reinforce its barrier function? It helps to prevent dryness, flakiness, and irritation, and provides a smooth base for makeup application. Moisturizers also play a key role in locking in moisture and protecting the skin from environmental stressors. Select a moisturizer based on your skin type. For oily skin, lightweight, oil-free, or gel-based moisturizers are ideal as they provide hydration without clogging pores. For dry skin, richer, cream-based formulations are beneficial as they provide intense hydration and create a barrier to retain moisture. Apply moisturizer immediately after cleansing, when the skin is still slightly damp, to lock in hydration. Be sure to cover all areas of the face and neck, and don't forget to moisturize around the eyes with a product specifically designed for that delicate area. For additional benefits, consider using a moisturizer with built-in SPF or antioxidants to protect and nourish the skin. What's more, exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells from the surface, promoting cell turnover and revealing smoother, brighter skin. Regular exfoliation can prevent clogged pores, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve the absorption of other skincare products. There are two main types of exfoliants: physical and chemical. Physical exfoliants use granular substances to manually slew off dead skin cells, while chemical exfoliants use acids, like AHAs and BHAs, to dissolve the bonds between dead cells. For most people, exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week is sufficient. Overexfoliation can damage the skin barrier and cause irritation, so it's important to start slowly and listen to your skin's needs. After exfoliating, always apply a moisturizer to soothe and protect the skin. Chemical exfoliants, such as glycolic acid or salicylic acid, can be particularly effective for targeting specific concerns like acne or hyperpigmentation. And don't forget, sun protection is the most effective anti-aging measure you can take. UV rays from the sun can cause premature aging, sunburn, and increase the risk of skin cancer. Daily use of sunscreen prevents these harmful effects and maintains the health and appearance of your skin. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, regardless of the weather or your plans. Apply it 15 to 30 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours, or more frequently if you are swimming or sweating. Remember, UV rays can penetrate clouds and windows, so daily sunscreen use is crucial. Next up, let's talk about diet and hydration. Proper hydration is vital for maintaining the skin's elasticity, plumpness, and overall health. Dehydrated skin can appear dull, flaky, and more prone to fine lines and wrinkles. Drinking enough water helps to flush out toxins and maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters, of water daily. Adjust this amount based on your activity level, climate, and individual needs. Besides plain water, you can also hydrate with herbal teas, infused water, adding fruits or herbs for flavor, and water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Additionally, a nutrient-rich diet provides the building blocks for healthy skin. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in food help combat oxidative stress, support skin repair, and promote a clear and youthful complexion. Certain nutrients, like vitamins A, C, E, and omega-3 fatty acids, are particularly beneficial for skin health. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet, as they are rich in antioxidants and essential vitamins. Foods high in vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, boost collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and elastic. Vitamin E-rich foods, like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados, protect the skin from oxidative damage and support its healing processes. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, reduce inflammation and keep the skin moisturized and supple. Whole grains and lean proteins support overall skin structure and repair. Incorporating probiotics through yogurt or fermented foods can enhance gut health, which in turn can positively impact the skin. High sugar intake and processed foods can lead to inflammation, breakouts, and accelerated aging. These foods can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, which can negatively impact skin health and contribute to conditions like acne and eczema. Reduce your consumption of sugary snacks, sodas, and processed foods that are high in unhealthy fats and refined sugars. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or fruits when you need a sweet fix. Replacing processed foods with whole, nutrient-dense options can have a significant positive impact on both your overall health and your skin. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now let's have a closer look at lifestyle choices and their impact on our skin health. Sleep is essential for overall health, including skin health. During sleep, the body repairs itself, and insufficient sleep can lead to dull skin, dark circles, and increased stress hormones that exacerbate skin issues. Quality sleep helps maintain a healthy, radiant complexion and prevents premature aging. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a restful environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Limit screen time before bed, as the blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Instead, engage in relaxing activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing mindfulness exercises. Using a silk pillowcase can reduce friction and prevent sleep lines and hair breakage, contributing to smoother skin and healthier hair. Moreover, chronic stress can negatively impact skin health by triggering inflammatory responses, worsening conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis, and accelerating aging. Managing stress effectively can improve both your mental and physical well-being, including the appearance of your skin. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. Exercise regularly, as physical activity releases endorphins that help combat stress and promote a sense of well-being. Practices like yoga and meditation can promote relaxation, mental clarity, and emotional balance. But wait, there is more. Smoking reduces blood flow to the skin, depriving it of oxygen and nutrients, leading to premature aging and wrinkles. Excessive alcohol dehydrates the skin and can exacerbate skin conditions like rosacea and psoriasis. Avoiding these habits can significantly improve your skin's health and appearance. And let's not forget about specific treatments. Targeted topical treatments can address specific skin concerns such as acne, hyperpigmentation, and aging. Active ingredients like retinoids, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid offer various benefits and can be incorporated into your skincare routine for noticeable improvements. Incorporate active ingredients into your skincare routine based on your needs. Retinoids, vitamin A derivatives, are known for their ability to promote cell turnover, reduce fine lines, and improve skin texture. Start with a low concentration and gradually increase as your skin adjusts to avoid irritation. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin, fights free radical damage, and supports collagen production. Use it in the morning for maximum protection against environmental stressors. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant that draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. It can be used both in the morning and at night to maintain optimal hydration levels. Always patch test new products to ensure they are suitable for your skin, and follow up with sunscreen when using active ingredients that can increase photosensitivity. Professional skincare treatments can address deeper skin issues and provide more dramatic results than at-home products. Regular dermatologist visits can ensure your skincare routine is effective and safe, and professional treatments can target specific concerns with precision and expertise. Consult with a dermatologist to determine which treatments are best for your skin concerns. Chemical peels exfoliate the top layers of skin, improving texture and tone and addressing issues like pigmentation and fine lines. Microdermabrasion buffs away dead skin cells, revealing smoother, more radiant skin underneath. Laser therapy can target specific issues such as pigmentation, scars, or broken capillaries with precision. Other treatments, such as microneedling or radiofrequency therapy, can stimulate collagen production and improve skin firmness and elasticity. Following professional treatments, adhere to aftercare instructions to maximize benefits and avoid complications. Regular checkups with a dermatologist can help you stay on top of your skin health and make adjustments to your routine as needed. What's important? Frequent touching can transfer bacteria, oils, and dirt from your hands to your face, leading to breakouts and irritation. Keeping your hands away from your face helps maintain a clean and clear complexion. Dirty towels and pillowcases can harbor bacteria, oils, and product residues that can transfer to your skin and cause breakouts or irritation. Keeping these items clean helps maintain a healthy complexion. Change pillowcases at least once a week and towels every few days. Use a separate towel for your face and body to prevent cross-contamination. And there you have it, folks. We've covered some of the best tips and tricks to help you achieve and maintain healthier, glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference over time. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling inspired to take better care of your skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be on the quest for better skin. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below letting us know which tip you're most excited to try, or if you have any personal skincare secrets you swear by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. We've got lots more skincare advice, beauty hacks, and wellness tips coming your way. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.